so welcome back to Single Black Vegan. So today, you guys, I thought I would share with you something that, first of all, I love to wear headscarves, head wraps, whatever you want to call them. I love to put them on because it's quick and easy. I don't have to do anything to my hair. Y'all know how I've been having these wig tragedies anyway. So those days where you just want to either step out of the house for something quick, you can dress this up with some hoops. You just put this little scarf on and be gone about your business. I'm here to talk about scarves, and you're just not ready to invest in, say, an authentic piece from Africa, or some of the ones we see online that can run you anywhere between $20 and $30 for a head wrap. Well, you can go to your closest fabric store and get you a yard, depending on how big your head is. But I think a yard is perfect. Like, if you want to do something like this, a yard is good. You can get a yard and a half, whatever. I'm letting you know that it's gonna cost you less if you go to a fabric store. Go over to their section. They have plenty of fabrics, but if you're looking for that kind of African material, that's kind of what I was looking for. So I picked this up. This is a yard. It cost me a little over $6. That's it. And it's beautiful. And it's thick. Now it's made, it's not like, I know some scarves that we wear are kind of like the silkier, softer ones. This one is these are actually got a few more, but I just want to show this one first. So these are thicker. So I'm sorry, you guys. I have no clue. I mean, it's fabric. Okay, I'm no expert on fabric. I can't say. I don't know, y'all. It's as if you was like gonna make a skirt. So imagine if you was about to make a skirt, child. That's the fabric it is. I mean, I don't know. It could be cotton, but this shirt cotton, and they don't feel the same to me, so I don't know. Okay, I'm no expert on it. All I know is it works. You can throw it on your head and you good. Okay, so like I was saying, you can go to a fabric store. I went to Joann's. I know there's several other fabric stores depending on where you are, but I went to Joann's. I just happened to go over to their fabric section, and I went into their kind of like African print area. They had a nice selection. It was really hard for me to choose. I wanted all of them, but I was like, girl, listen, get you about 4, maybe 5, and go on about your day. So I walked out with 4, and I'm very pleased with the selections. As you can see, I already have one on my head. And this one that I like. This one's really like thick. Now, the one thing I will say, right? Because I noticed, like, this was the first one I tried on when I got home. Now, this particular one, it's no matter what side it's on, it's the exact same. So that is something that I did not realize when I was buying these. And then you have some, for example, like this one. This is like the traditional kind of African print that you kind of will see around, but it's not authentic, obviously, because when you open it up on the inside or flip it over, this is what you get. So this can be a little more trickier, because when you're trying to wear this as a headscarf, you don't want this side to show, right? You don't want this side to show up at all. You want to see the vibrant colors of this side. So this one had that on the inside, and this one the same. It kind of had that on the inside. And then Joann's, child, they want everybody to know it's from them. Okay. Designed exclusively for Joann. Oh, it do say cotton right there. So y'all know how I am with scissors. I cut that right off. But I have a way to be able to hide it when I'm putting on my scarves. So anyway, you guys, these are the ones that I got. I'm going to take a moment and show you how I get this wrap style. Okay, guys, so here I am going to show you guys how this works. I'm going to see if I can do this sitting down. We'll see how this works. But anyway, so here's this one that I had on previously. So beautiful. And then you got that old tacky Joann's on the side. Nobody asked you for that, Joann's. What if I want to be a secret? What if I want people to think I went to the motherland and got this? But no, Joanne's trying to hate. Anywho, so it comes like when you get a yard of this, it pretty much comes in a perfect square, which sometimes is not the easiest to put on. Like rectangles are a lot better to put on when you're trying to do one of these head wraps, but it's possible. I always make it work. So I pretty much, you know, you have the square, you want to kind of put the middle of it, you know, with your head. So, okay, let's see. I'm going to try to turn to the side so you guys can kind of see. So you see how I kind of just have it pulled pretty snug, you know, I keep my ears covered while I do this, and then I just let my ears free whenever I'm done. This is the way it kind of stays even. So as you can see, I kind of just have it like this, and then you know what I do? I just twist. Now you see how that inside is? I want that to stay hidden, so I am stuffing it inside of the vibrant. So I am twisting and twisting. I pretty much like just twist it all the way down. See? This is what I do. I know I look crazy right now. Okay. So now that you have this twisted, obviously hold on to it. And then you're just going to wrap, take it over like that, wrap. And you may have to still, you know, do a little twisting as you're wrapping around. And I just stuff that last little piece right in the center. Look at this one over here trying to come out of there. And that's it, folks. Then I kind of make my adjustments how I want. Uh-oh, my little earrings is acting up. Okay, so now this is me. I don't mind my ears being covered up, but if you're someone who's like, I don't want my ears, okay, no problem. Okay, go and get your little ear come out then. Then you're gonna be looking like that. I'm just playing. I mean, you can have your ear out if you want to. I'm not a fan of the ear out. Okay, cover my ear. But I do know that it's face mask season, so when I do my face mask, let me show y'all what I do when I have on these scarves. So when I have on a face mask and trying to wear a scarf at the same time, let me just show y'all what I do real fast. I just get it in there like that. Over there like that. And then just come down right back where we were. Get on in there now. Get on right back in there, okay? So that's what I do. So you still can wear this with your face mask. Okay? It's still possible. You see it. Come on, vegans. Where my vegans at? Now this one a little bootleg. I'm working on making sure that I'll get all my letters right. But yeah, I just wanted to come and show you guys real quick. If you are looking for some scarves, I say go to your closest, nearest fabric store, get you about a yard, and you can have you a cute little something going on and be done with it. I mean, I've seen people take this and it's in the back. You know what I'm saying? Let me see if I can pull that off real fast. I mean, while I got y'all here. I usually don't wear mine like that, but I mean, let's see. Let me see what we got. Since y'all here, and I appreciate you. Wait. Okay, let me see here. See, this the part I don't like, when that under part be showing. All right, see, look at all that showing. Now I got to go in and stuff. Okay, now I can twist it. Now I can twist it. All right. Wait. I think I should go the other way. I think I should go underneath. Yeah. So you pretty much do the exact same thing I did up front, but this time you do it in the back. Oh, maybe I need to start wearing this like this. That ain't bad at all. I guess I ain't even got it on yet. Oh. Alrighty. Let me see. Okay. See, wait a minute. What's this? What's this? What's this right here? Is that Joanne's trying to come out on me? Get yourself back in there, Joanne. Okay. Now, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I got this thing on tight. And I didn't mean to. Sometimes I get excited or something, and then I be, see that? There we go. That's that. You get what you pay for right there. You just gotta clip that off. Ain't no big deal. Still the look. So anyway, this is what it looks like as far as the side view. That's it. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate all the love you guys are showing to me. Yay, thank you. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video.